May naisip kong gawin dito sa upuan na to. Itatapon na sana to. Kinuha ko dun sa tapunan namin. Sayang kasi itong kahoy na to ay nara. Ang tawag dito sa Australia ay yara. Kaya kasi matibay pa. Antik to eh. Antik tong upuan na to eh. Ito yung kasama nito eh. Pati tingnan ko sa inyo. Ito yun eh. Antik. Nabili ko sa garage sale. Ito. Nagawin ko ngayon. Panoorin nyo.
There's a world full of lonely, hollow-eyed men, and without your sweet love, I'd be one of them. Beneath a newspaper blanket with no place to go, cradling a bottle, shivering in the cold. But for the grace of God and a good woman's love, I'd have went under and I'd have gave up. But he sent me down an angel from up above. That lonely soul out on the street might just as easily be me. But for the grace of God and a good woman's love, night and hold your tender hand in mine. And sometimes a bad drink takes me back in time. When I think of how close to the bottom I fell, I know where I'd be if I was still by myself. But for the grace of God and a good woman's love, I'd have went under and I'd have gave up. But he sent me down an angel from up above. That lonely soul out on the street might just as easily be me. But for the grace of God and a good woman's love, grace of God and a good woman's love, I'd have went under and I'd have gave up. But he sent me down an angel from up above. That lonely soul out on the street might just as easily be me. But for the grace of God and a good woman's love, that lonely soul out on the street might just as easily be me. But for the grace of God and a good woman's love. When you work as hard as I do, you just have to find some time for recreation. On Sundays I'd hook up my boat and head out on my own one-day vacation. Being out there on that water tends to satisfy my need for solitude and helps relieve my stressed condition. What's the harm in taking time to just enjoy a little Sunday fishing? Well, I was backing in my driveway with my boat that I had battened up so neatly. All at once the door flew open and my little boy came running out to greet me. He jumped up in my arms and with a purpose asked a question that I must admit invoked some admonition. He said, next week when the rest of us have gone to church, would you take Jesus fishing? Jesus loves you, Dad, I know, 'cause the preacher told me so. And in Sunday